Bam, 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 bam. Woo! Bam.
Silver 48.23.
Bam, 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 bam. Woo! Bam.
Silver highs 49.50. Amazing.
Bam, 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 bam. Woo! Bam.
So back in April 13, I helped a friend slash relative of mine in the East to acquire some silver, 500 ounces to be exact. These Johnson Matthey 100-ounce bars are a gem. Definitely a good buy from Tolving. So the next clip will show how I helped her buy. So after seeing silver hit its resistance on 42 and pretty much sell off all the way down a little bit under 40, on the 12th I saw it consolidating, supported by 40, hitting around 40.75 resistance a couple times. More support a little bit on me, consolidating sideways. Then on the 13th I saw it just going sideways on 40.50 and hitting 40.75 a third time. Not quite getting down on its support of 40. That's where I saw it was good to tell my relative slash friend to pull the trigger in 500 ounces and buy from Tolving. So buying from Tolving was quite easy. Let's go to their site, tolving.com. So you should know yourself what the Kitco ask price is before calling them. Click on this section here. Good thing is they give you $15 wire credit right there. Even they are aware on what the silver adjusted inflation price is. Well, if it was 50, it should be more like 135 to 140 for inflation. Adjusted high for silver. Go to the silver section. You'll notice they have 450 ounces in stock, quite a bit. But I did notice quite a few things were selling out, like this A-Mark 10 ounce did sell out already. They have a couple of JMs, Johnson Matthey types. One is secondhand, as you can see here, the older school type. And they do have the newer kind, the brand new bars, going for spot plus 89 cents an ounce, 500 ounces minimum, and that's exactly how the bar looked. So my relative slash friend asked me, am I going to sell it to when it's time to sell? Guess what? Tolving also buys at spot an ounce. So not a bad deal from them. And we know that we're headed from here close to $50 on April 25th. Not a bad time to buy in the dips. Good luck to you. So my strategy, as you've just seen, is to buy in the dips or the pullback. I was lucky enough to see the 5% pullback and pull the trigger at the right time. Timing is everything, but sometimes you just get lucky, as I did. So basically buy when you feel comfortable, right? I mean, there may not be a pullback as you just seen, but there may be one coming because of the so-called psychological 50, which I think is very irrelevant. But a lot of traders are going to be pulling the sell trigger at that point because they feel that's the high of 1980, so it should be the high now, which inflation adjusted should be around $140. So that $50 is probably going to be irrelevant real soon. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully there is a pullback because I definitely want to help other people buy more and myself buy more. So don't be afraid of it, just set your goals and basically look at the long term, and just remember that this is real money. This is real wealth preservation, and this is where you should be storing your money in the longer term. Look in the long term, not the short highs and lows. Keep stacking, silver trader, and I'm out.